Hello, it's James from Cartridge Universe again. The default setting on your HP printer is usually set for automatic firmware upgrades. This means that your printer will automatically install firmware updates without prompting or requesting your consent. Once the firmware upgrade is completed, the next time you install a non-original cartridge, your printer may display a cartridge problem. This is to prevent you from using non-original cartridges. You absolutely have the right to save money and use Cartridge Universe cartridges in your printer. We recommend that you turn off the printer update function in your printer. A few clicks on the printer will help you save money and stop HP restricting your right to choose the best cartridges that are right for you. These instructions are suitable for HP printers using the 915 cartridges. Scroll down on the top menu, go into the settings, and scroll down in the setup menu to printer maintenance. Click on printer maintenance, scroll down again, update the printer, click on that, go into update printer options and do not check, and then hit no on the button that comes up. That's it, exit the system and you're ready to print. You've turned off the updates and you can keep saving money.